lot of Frankie recipes on the channel, but I just realized I don't have a Jain version. And also, on public demand, today I'm bringing to you the recipe for Jain Frankie. So let's begin with making the salad for the Frankie. Heat a tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is nice and hot, add in 1 capsicum cut lengthwise, 1 tomato deseeded and cut lengthwise, 1 cup shredded cabbage, 2 light green chilies finely sliced, a tablespoon of Frankie Masala and a teaspoon of Chaat Masala. Give all these ingredients a quick toss. A teaspoon of lemon juice. This is done. Get it off the heat and let it cool down. The salad veggies are cooling down, and now let's quickly make the stuffing, for which I've taken 2 raw bananas, pressure cook them for at least a good 3 to 4 whistles, de-skin it and mash it while it's hot. And now let's add in a few spices and other ingredients and make the stuffing. Half a cup of boiled green peas, a handful of coriander leaves, a teaspoon of amchur or raw mango powder, a tablespoon of Frankie Masala, a teaspoon of chili paste, salt to taste. Mix all these ingredients together. Make sure that you keep mashing the green peas and the bananas while doing so. Shape them into rectangle cutlets. In this way, let's make some more. Time to roast the cutlets, for which heat some oil in a pan. Once the oil is nice and hot, let's place them. Shallow fry them in a little bit of oil till they catch color, and then flip them over. And these cutlets are ready. Let's get them out. All the prep is done, and now time to assemble the Frankies, for which I have here some homemade tortillas. You can even use store-bought ones. All I have done is taken 1 cup of plain flour, added salt, 1 tablespoon of oil and made a dough. Rolled out the tortillas, roasted them, just slightly roast them, like half roast them on the pan, and these are ready. And now let's start assembling. Heat a little bit of oil. Take a tortilla and let it roast on both the sides for a few seconds. And on the side, I'm also going to warm up the cutlet. Flip it over. And once you get a few brown spots on both the sides, it's ready. Flip the cutlet as well. This is done on both the sides. Let's get it out. Spread some Jain ketchup on the tortilla. Place the cutlet. Mash it a little bit. Place the salad. Place a few lettuce leaves. And now let's roll it. Let's cut it into half. No onion, no garlic, Jain Frankie is ready. Instead of the plain flour tortillas, you can even use some wheat parathas, which is fine. You can add any other vegetables in the cutlet of your choice. So do give this recipe a try, comment below and subscribe to Rajshri Food. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.